In today's video, I'm going to teach you straight and spiral stairs with Cloner. By the end, you'll know how to set up clean, adjustable stairs using a single step that repeats automatically, and how to turn that same setup into a spiral staircase with just a few tweaks. Let's start with straight stairs. Begin by creating a cube from the primitives menu. Think of this cube as one step. Resize it so it looks like a tread and riser combined. Make it longer along the x-axis to define the run of the step, and taller along the y-axis to define the rise. Keep z as the depth or thickness. You don't need exact numbers right now, just get the proportions so one cube clearly reads as a single step. Now create a cloner object. In the Object Manager, drag the cube under the cloner so the cube becomes a child of the cloner. With the cloner selected, go to the Object tab and set the mode to linear. This tells the cloner to repeat the step in a straight line. Increase the count to match how many steps you want. Next, adjust the position values to set the spacing between steps. Increase the Y value to move each step up, creating the climb, and increase the X value to move each step forward, creating the length. A good approach is to adjust Y first to establish the riser height, then tweak X for comfortable tread depth. If the steps intersect or feel too far apart, fine-tune these two numbers until the stack looks like a clean staircase with even spacing. For spiral stairs, you'll use the same basic setup. Start with the cube under a cloner, still in linear mode, and set the count to the total number of steps. Adjust the position values again. Use Y to control the overall height of the staircase and X to establish a bit of horizontal offset if you want a gentle outward drift. The magic happens in step rotation. Increase the Y rotation value to turn each step around the vertical axis. This creates the spiral effect, with each successive step rotating a fixed amount. Smaller Y rotation values give a gentle spiral. Larger values make a tighter turn. Balance Y. Y position with Y. Step rotation so the rise per step feels realistic and the tread above doesn't collide with the one below. If you need more or fewer turns, simply adjust the count or the Y rotation value and watch the staircase update instantly. That's it. With one cube and a cloner, you can rapidly iterate straight and spiral stairs, all fully parametric and easy to refine.